Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to delete your Gmail account. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to gmail.com or simply open the Gmail app on your phone, and then you're gonna have to simply click on your profile picture, then simply click on manage your Google account, and then after that what you're gonna have to do is simply go to security, and then here you're gonna have to scroll down. So basically you're gonna have to scroll down, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply make sure that you basically remove all your devices. So you're gonna have to make sure that you basically sign out from other devices, so your account data will not remain on that specific device. And then simply go to data and privacy, and then here you're gonna have to scroll down, and then simply under more options click on delete your Google account, and then after that you're gonna have to simply enter the password, click on next, and then simply confirm. And basically that's how you can delete your Gmail account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.